Hi there everyone, this is George Abatanti from the Treating Anxiety blog at HealthyPlace, and I'm excited to be talking to you today about one of my favorite anxiety management techniques, which is meditation. So in my article, you'll see several techniques that I like to use to really engage with the physical sensations of anxiety and work through them effectively. And I wanted to demonstrate those techniques for you today as well. So we're going to be going through three techniques. The first is what I'll call the heart meditation, the second, the breath meditation, and third, the body scan meditation. So for the heart meditation, I like to place one hand on my chest and then one hand on my neck so that I can feel my heartbeat through one hand and feel my pulse through the other. And when I do this, it's a great way to notice the sensation of my heartbeat, not just from inside my body, but with other parts as well. So this is a great way to engage with your heart rate, especially if that's something that bothers you a lot or you notice a lot when you're feeling anxious. So this way you really get in tune with your heart rate, in tune with the sensation of your heartbeat, and from there you can kind of become acclimated to it and treat it as something not to be worried about or afraid of, and more as something to just engage with and acknowledge as something normal that your body is doing. It's kind of similar with your breath. So I know sometimes a lot of anxiety can be centered in the stomach as well. So what I like to do when I'm feeling kind of stomach-based anxiety is to really engage with my breath, because when you're really breathing deeply, you're expanding your stomach, not just your chest, but really opening up your whole torso. So I like to place my hands on my stomach and really notice my breath as it's coming in through my mouth, into my lungs, expanding my stomach, and then as I exhale, feeling that sensation as well. So I'll be taking deep breaths like this. And really engaging with that whole process and slowing down my breath as much as possible. So those are the first two techniques, and then the third is going to have the most room for you to decide what you want to focus on, which is what I like about it a lot, and that's why it's called the body scan meditation. So this is one where you're really just going to focus your attention on one part of your body. Maybe it's a part of your body that you notice acutely when you are feeling particularly anxious. So for me, that might be the head, because I notice a lot of physical sensations in my head when I'm feeling very anxious. So what this is about is really entering that calm space when you are really engaging with your breathing deeply, slowing down your heart rate, and then drawing your attention to a part of your body and just seeing what it's doing, right? What it feels like normally. And this is a great way to get in touch with how your body feels, and kind of normalize the sensations you're having. Because a lot of the time when we're anxious, we kind of turn these normal sensations into something frightening or something that we want to get away from. And so this is a way for you to kind of disengage from that and acknowledge just that you are going through the normal processes that your body has, and that it's totally fine to be doing that. So thanks for checking in, everybody. These are my three techniques for meditation for engaging with your physical sensations of anxiety. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you soon.